everyone. This is Pragya Roy on KSMS Pulse. Let us have a quick look at the headline. On 19 January 2025, KSMS presented a spectacular stage adaptation of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, a timeless tale of imagination, kindness, and perseverance. This grand production was the result of the dedication and collaboration of 175 students who formed the talented cast and crew. The production is a testament to teamwork, high level of creativity, and an exceptional level of commitment, with over 3 months of rigorous preparation. More than 1,800 live audience enjoyed the show. On January 31st, 2025, KSMS had its graduation ceremony for the outgoing batch of Standard 12 2024-25. The evening saw 147 students graduating, 65 in Science stream and 82 in Commerce stream. The ceremony consisted of awarding of certificates and badge souvenirs to all the students. Our school has instituted various categories of awards to recognize holistic development of students. The Principal's Award was given to Dhairya Agarwal, Sankalp Samat, and Anshika Kumari. Academic Star of the class, Kirit Ranjan, Prachi Agarwal, Harshveen Kaur, and Garima Chawla. Sports Star of the batch, A. Sagar. Sports Star of the class, Keshav Kumar, Varun Raj, Nischal Kumar, and Karandeep Singh. Most versatile student of the class, Mayank Sawa, Yuvraj Chaudhary, and Kavya Nair. Letters of appreciation were given to Utkarsh Tiwari, Nandana A. Pillai, Akdas Ahmed, Mohammad Ashraf Khan, Victor Singh, and Kritarth Jha. The graduation ceremony culminated with a candle lighting ceremony, which was lit by students and respective class teachers. It was an emotional moment for students who were bidding goodbye to their school after having spent 14 years from childhood to socially young, responsible adults. On February 22nd, the highly anticipated parenting workshop From Tantrums to Triumph, Your Guide to Positive Parenting, organized by our school, witnessed an overwhelming response. The event saw the participation of 150 parents, all eager to gain insights into effective parenting strategies. The workshop was led by renowned child development expert Ms. Saloni Priya, who shared real-life scenarios, research-backed strategies, and practical tips to help parents manage behavioral challenges, encourage positive discipline, and nurture emotional intelligence in children. On 23rd February, KSMS successfully hosted an insightful workshop titled Teach, Talk, Connect, Mastering Interpersonal Skills for its educators. The session conducted by Ms. Saloni Priya, a renowned counselor from Umeed India, Kolkata, was aimed at enhancing teachers' communication, relationship building, and conflict resolution skills, with a particular focus on how they can effectively express their perspectives within the school community. The school administration emphasized its commitment to continuous professional development for its educators. Effective communication is key to a thriving educational environment. We are grateful to Ms. Priya for providing such valuable insights that will greatly benefit our teachers in expressing themselves confidently and fostering better collaboration with our school community, said Ms. Nandini Shukla, Principal, KSMS. On April 9th, in a proactive step towards promoting safer roads and responsible driving, a comprehensive road safety awareness session was held at our school, featuring the esteemed presence of Deputy Superintendent of Police, Sri Neeraj, Traffic Division. Organized by Safe Club, the session aimed to educate participants, especially students, drivers, and parents. This initiative marks a significant step in building a more informed and responsible community, aligning with the broader goal of reducing accidents and saving lives. Our school organized an on-site fire safety training program for its students and teachers on April 25th. The training was conducted by Tata Steel's fire safety officer, who expertly guided the participants on fire prevention, emergency response, and evacuation procedures. In order to foster a spirit of healthy competition and motivation among students, the annual Junior Prize Distribution Ceremony was held for the academic session 2024-25 on April 25th. Mr. Sharat Chandran, Director, Kerala Public Schools, Jamshedpur, and Ms. Lakshmi Sharat, Academic Director of KPS, were present in the ceremony as the chief guest and the guest of honor, respectively. Khyati Priya of Standard 4, Pallav Sengupta of Standard 5, Sai Devanshu Dhal of Standard 6, and Naitik Sanvaria of Standard 7 were declared the all-rounders in their respective levels. The Interact Club and KSMS Alumni Association organized the May Day for the support staff of the school on May 1st. The school management, faculty, office staff, members of the clubs, and the students expressed their heartfelt gratitude towards them and also understood the importance of labours in our lives. We also celebrated excellence on May 1st by congratulating all the ISC and ICSE toppers for the CISCE year 2025 examinations. The ISC toppers in the pure science stream are Debjyoti Ray, Mohammad Amar Abdurakib, and Tejas Jhunjhunwala. The toppers of the bioscience stream are Prachi Agarwal, Anusha Naz, and Anshika Kumari. Toppers of the ISC commerce stream are Manish Jha, Harshveen Kaur, Shaurya Agarwal, and Tanusha Agarwal. ICSE toppers from the science stream are Gayatri Nair, Shaurya Priyadarshi, and Sonal Das. And from the commerce stream are Riya Kumari, Shreya Biswas, Priyanshi Chaudhary, and Alok. The investiture ceremony 2025 of the newly selected student council took place on 2nd May 2025 in the presence of the principal, Ms. Nandini Shukla, vice principals, Ms. Sujata Singh, Ms. Reena Banerjee, and Mr. A.L. Abraham. A total of 89 students took the oath, which included the members of the senior and the junior cabinet, club presidents and vice presidents, Scouts and Guides presidents and vice presidents. The student council would be responsible for the proper functioning of our school. On May 10th, in a proactive step towards ensuring the safety and well-being of all citizens, officials from Jharkhand Police explained the measures to be taken during an airstrike situation. Parents and faculty of the school attended the short but important briefing. Jamshedpur witnessed a heartening demonstration of community spirit and environmental commitment as volunteers from the Art of Living spearheaded a river cleaning drive at Do Muhani Ghat, Sonari. This meaningful initiative was organized to celebrate the auspicious birthday of Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, their revered spiritual leader. The event was in collaboration with the school's Environment Club and Care and Share Club, with enthusiastic participation from teachers and students. We successfully conducted a vibrant and engaging 7-day summer camp from 11th to 17th May 2025. The camp saw enthusiastic participation from 200 students and 7 enthusiastic coaches, making it a week filled with fun, learning, and sportsmanship. Students actively took part in a wide range of events, including athletics, badminton, basketball, chess, cricket, carom, football, handball, volleyball, yoga, and Zumba. The camp was guided by the school sports teachers, Mr. Deepak Jagan and Mr. Shahbaz Khan, who ensured that every session was well organized and enjoyable. On June 21st, 2025, the Health and Hygiene Club of Kerala Samajam Model School, in collaboration with yoga hobby students of school, Scouts and Guides, with the teaching faculty, celebrated International Yoga Day with great enthusiasm and zeal. June 21st, 2025 was also earmarked for Empowering Educators, Discipline by Design session at our school led by Ms. Saloni Priya. The session brought together 54 participants, including educators and administrators of various schools, to explore proactive approaches to discipline and classroom management. We had our senior annual prize night on 21st June 2025 to award the meritorious students of Standard 8 to Standard 12 of session 2024-25. The chief guest, Ms. Smita Pankaj, IFS Regional Chief Conservator of Forest, Singhbhum, Jamshedpur, along with the principal, Ms. Nandini Shukla, and members of the BOT Kerala Samajam, inaugurated the ceremony by lighting the ceremonial lamp. Our first term examination was conducted from 7th July till 21st July. With adherence to the rules of the government, due to the anticipated inclement weather, the examinations on 10th and 15th were postponed to a later date. Students have given their best in the first examination of this session. That is all for today. Thank you viewers for patiently being with us till the end. Stay ahead. This is Pragya Roy signing off.